It's been too long and I'm lost without you. What am I gonna do? Said I've been needing you, wanting you, wondering if you're the same and who's been with you. Is your heart still mine? I wanna cry sometimes. Okay. So, why did I select that song today? A lot of different reasons. But the main reason is my old self. My old self has been trying to resurface. The thoughts, the doubts, the fears, the anxiety, trying to reconnect with past relationships. And I know, it's due to this retrograde and everything else that's going on in the universe. You know, 8/8 was yesterday with the Lionsgate portal. So I understand what's going on during this time, and I'm doing everything that I can do to stay grounded. But my old self is trying to check in, saying it's been too long and I'm lost without you. And I told that version of me that it's okay, you're still there. You're just not running the show. Okay? My heart is not still yours. Yes, we are one, and I still love you and I still honor you for everything that you've been through, but my heart is with my higher self. And I'm still express the gratitude and the grace and the honor and the appreciation for everything that you've done for me, but it's over, okay? And I can hear my old self, my lower self, trying to tell me how much it misses me and all this other stuff, trying to sneak its way in. Like, I don't cuss that much. I've been cussing lately. I've been judgmental. And I just had to stop and recognize who I am right now today. And yes, can I go back to that version? Yes. Yes. Can I start to align with that version of me? Yes. But guess what? I am consciously choosing not to. I'm choosing to align with my higher self, my higher purpose in life. And I'm going to keep doing that. So yes, it's been too long and you may be lost without me. And you may be asking, what are you going to do? You've been wanting me, you've been needing me, but guess what? I can't feed you anymore. Now, many people may interpret this for a person, and yeah, it could be a person, but for me, it's my lower self that's trying to resurface. So remember, when that part of you tries to come and try to take back control, it might try to butter you up, it might try to sweeten you up, but just know you are stronger than it. You've already overcome it, and it's going to try to use tactics, especially familiar tactics, to try to reel you back in. And you got to stand up tall, loud, and proud and say, I understand that you miss me. I understand that you're lost, but you are in the back seat. Thank you, and bow out gracefully. That's all I got for you guys today. Peace.